here at Camping World on our first adventure, finding out all the things that we could possibly want for our new trailer. So stay tuned.
We need a lot of
We
stuff.
got a lot of renovations coming at you,
We got
so
some stuff to do.
we'll keep you all posted on some of the cool stuff we found.
Alright, first trip to Camping World.
Woo!
Yeah, we got a lot of stuff to get, but it's gonna be a fun year.
So we are heading to Shields. I have a few things on my list that I want to pick up. I want some stuff for the dogs. Let's be real. So we are
Always for G.
always. So we're headed there right now.
Alright, we're at Shields, and there's a lot of camping stuff to go through. So, we're just gonna go one aisle at a time and grab everything.
Just start pulling it in.
It's gonna be fun.
First load to the dump. So we are in the process of moving out of our house. So welcome to the new storage unit. We will be packing up our life into these units. So that way we can be on the road, living out of the trailer. So we just got done unloading our truck. We had two dressers in there. What else? We had like tons of boxes of all of our kitchen stuff. A bunch of stuff was in the bed of the truck, and we're 2 for 2 now. With rain.
For any of you who don't know, you're in for a ride. Every time we travel, anytime we do anything, there's always some fun.
There's some problems.
Moving, every time you put a cardboard box bed of that truck,
it starts to rain. But even better, Mother Nature one-upped us today and threw hail at us. So we had one box left to put in the bed of the truck. We were about ready to drive over to the storage unit. I think the storage unit is 3 minutes from our house. And then as I put the last box in the truck, it starts hailing and downpouring. And as we are driving to the storage unit, it is just a wall of rain. So all of the boxes, all of our clothes, everything is just soaking wet. So it was just a mad hustle to get everything unloaded from the bed of the truck underneath the storage unit awning, and literally I think as we pulled all of our carts inside the storage unit, the rain stopped.
Exact same thing that happened last time.
So yeah, like I said, we were 2 for 2. So the time before that, it also rained. It was like 9 o'clock at night, and it was just pouring down rain. We had been loading stuff in the truck all day long. We'll take a load to the storage unit at the end of the day and pouring down rain. Wasn't even on the weather report. So, like I said, it's gonna be fun. But
Stay tuned because we haven't even left yet.
We haven't even left our house yet. So it's been a trip. Get back. All right. I don't know what that is, but it's gonna be fun.
That's your motion sensor lights.
Ooh, those are gonna be real fun in the kitchen. These are gonna be awesome.
Not that you knew what they were, but
Gloves for our septic tanks.
Brandon's the only one that's gonna be wearing
Yeah.
those.
These are
Puppies, back up.
ooh, these are our fun lights. Hoping to line the trailer with some fun lights. You'll see us coming. Oh, our tire pressure monitor system. This is the most important thing I think we bought in this whole lot here. Cover for our mattress. Color-coded electrical tape for Brandon.
For Brandon, whoa.
And then another set of motion sensor lights for me. So, we'll get these up and running here, huh?
Alright, so we got more goodies. Amazon driver knows our name now. Got more fun for the trailer. Let's see what we got today. Ordered so much stuff, I don't even know what's coming when. Alright. So, first thing. Got some battery boxes, or at least one of them. So that will house our battery. Route all the cables through these openings, that way they're out of the elements, because we're going with deep cycle right now. We're still going with the old school batteries. Cannot be installed inside yet. So we have boxes, keep them out of the elements, keep them running, keep them charged, so that cold nights don't do a number like they were. Just the second one, we'll be running 2 batteries. What else we got here? Heavy. We've got a hitch. So this hitch will go on our rear bumper, and that will hold our bike rack so we can bring all the bikes along. That one's awesome. So very excited for that one. What's this one?
I don't remember. My table!
This is your folding table. So we got a little
Yay!
card table that folds up into this, so that when we go somewhere without a campground or a boondocking or rest area and we want to make lunch quick, we got just a quick little fold out table, so I'm sure you'll see that highlighted in one of our next videos.
Woo!
Alright, so we just got those battery boxes, and they were way too big. They did not fit. Together they were 30 inches wide. Fortunately our slot's only 26 inches wide, so what I did is I cut off the ends. Both the ends looked like that. And I cut off the middle ends and I intertwined the 2 boxes. So we're just gonna glue those shut right there. And we have a working battery box now. And I just gotta do the same thing with the tops. All right, a couple days until we leave on the first trip.
We're loading up the truck.
Last couple trips to storage.
Guess what?
So last video we said it's raining every time. Well, today was a 0% chance of rain. So we loaded this thing up. And then that rolled in.
Rain clouds, look at that!
It's literally raining on the other side of Loveland, so.
We're gonna wrap it up and probably go drop a load off before
We need
it
to
starts
go
to
like
rain.
right now. Bye!
Hi, bud. This is Jake. He loves his ring. This is Ellie. Ellie! Hi! Ellie girl! She doesn't listen to me. She only listens to Brandon. So, that's a good time. She also is a cow and likes the grass. And this is Jake.
All right. Alright everyone, so we're just a couple days away and we got a lot to do. So while Alexa's getting everything set inside the trailer, it's my job to get the truck ready. So we brought it in, needed basically all the fluids changed. So yesterday we did an oil change. Today we did a full transmission flush, which took I think over 20 quarts of transmission fluid. So that took up most of my day because I had to buy 7 quarts from O'Reilly, 7 quarts from AutoZone, 5 quarts from North AutoZone, and had to run around all over. So we got the transmission beautiful. It was coming out basically mud. Now it's coming out the nice pink, so we're good there. Fixed up the steering a little bit. It was a little loose, and a little loose with a 10,000 pound rig is just not going to do it. So we tightened up the steering a little bit. But other than that, everything else looked really good under the hood. The last thing we're going to do is we're going to change our brake fluid tomorrow, and we should be road ready. You know, I'm just trying to make this take as long as possible so I don't need to help in there. So we're going to take our time. No. So yeah, we got brakes yet to do tomorrow, and I believe at that point, truck's ready. I'm sure about 100 miles down the road it will tell me otherwise, but yeah, should be good.
All right, we are here this morning getting the trailer weighed. So we're gonna get an accurate weight on what the trailer looks like so we can go ahead and fill it with all of our stuff. I think so.
Completely dead. Can't help you.
So here's Brandon. He's got kind of his little makeshift workstation over here, but he is actually my mountain man over there with the beard and everything. That's actually probably coming off tonight. So if you are interested what he looks like with a fresh shaved face, go ahead and take a good look here. Nice and close. It's gonna be beautiful. It's gonna be sexy here later. But he is actually he is installing a sway bar for us. So we're getting a sway bar system mounted on the trailer there, so that way when we hit the road tomorrow, we have a little bit more control over the trailer and the rig. So hopefully we get that attached just right. If there's any other tips and tricks that you other RVers have out there for us, feel free to drop those in the comments too. We're always looking for other ideas. So
all right, so you know how in the last video I said just brakes to do and we'll be done? I lied. We found a lot more stuff to do. So we're going to kind of run you through everything I've done the last few hours just to get the trailer ready to go. I hope my truck doesn't sound like that, but also I shaved, so this is what I look like when I shave, like a baby. First thing is I installed these. So these are the Time8 tire pressure monitor systems. Let's see if we can focus on that. So basically it's going to tell you your PSI is the big numbers, and the temperature is the small ones. And so I installed one. This one's going to be for the truck, and this one's for the trailer. So while we're driving, we'll be able to monitor our tire PSI, see if we have any leaks or anything before any bad blowouts happen. I also installed the hanging mount for a rear view mirror. No, the truck did not have one. So yeah, we're gonna install that. Per Alexa's request, we have installed LED lighting that goes all the way back on the trailer on both sides. So we're just finishing up getting a few zip ties there. And right in front of that, we installed the sway bar. We're probably gonna have to get another one because our trailer's so fat and chunky. She weighs too much, but you know, one's better than nothing. So we installed that. Then coming to the back. So it used to be nice and silver and shiny, but the problem was it was too big. So I actually ripped the silver protective layer off so that I can install a hitch. This will hold our bike rack, and our bike racks will hold all of the lovely bikes. And then installed the trailer spare.
Don't screw it up.
There.
Yeah.
Oh no. Alright, let's try it again. Oh, that's bad. No license.
This is gonna be a good time.
Catastrophe. Your credit card or something? I do. No, we don't.